In today's cloud-first world, your identity provider isn't just a tool, it's the authentication backbone of your entire enterprise. But here's the reality. Adversaries no longer break in, they log in. Okta has become a Tier 0 target. When your identity layer is compromised, your entire SaaS ecosystem and your business grind to a halt. Introducing Druva Identity Resilience for Okta. We provide continuous, always-on protection for your entire Okta fabric. Users, groups, apps, configurations, workflows, and more. Deployment is as simple as a secure API handshake, requiring zero infrastructure and providing unified visibility from a single centralized console. Within minutes, you're capturing the entire identity fabric. Your backups are air-gapped, immutable, and logically isolated from your production tenant to ensure safety from tampering. In a disaster, Druva enables identity-first recovery. You can restore in place, to another domain, or test your restoration by seeding in Okta Sandbox to validate data before going live. And when you hit restore, you aren't just dumping data back into production. Druva is relinking the metadata, OAuth scopes, and permissions that define how your users and your non-human identities actually work. We restore the logic of your identity, ensuring that access is full fidelity and immediately functional. This same precision is key to fixing accidental or malicious errors. With Druva's object-level comparison, you can pinpoint exactly where a configuration drifted to quickly reverse unwanted changes without rolling back the entire tenant. This process enables you to unblock the recovery of all downstream applications by rapidly reinstating a trusted identity layer, eliminating manual group rebuilding or break glass panic. Additionally, Druva helps you maintain continuous audit readiness for global regulations such as SEC and DORA through detailed job logs as well as the backup of the Okta audit logs. So, if identity is the key to your kingdom, shouldn't you be protecting it with real identity resilience? Learn more at druva.com.